Hey my beautiful friends, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm talking about Moxibustion, and especially Moxibustion for building immunity. Today I am outside of my house on my little balcony. There are kids riding scooters, so I apologize for the extra noise. But in today's video, actually, I'm going to show you how to use Moxa stick. It's not a smokeless Moxa. There are many different kinds of Moxa. But today I'm showing you this Moxa stick and how to use it on an acupuncture point called stomach 36 to build immunity. Specifically, doing this on a new moon, right? So Google it, check out when is the new moon coming up. As of the recording of this video, it will be September 17th, 2020. So I definitely encourage you to check out the dates for when you're ready to use this technique. So like I said, building immunity by using Moxibustion on an acupuncture point called stomach 36. And you should do it for 7 days starting with the new moon, okay? So I have this little box where I store my incense sticks and my Palo Santo and sage. But for Moxa sticks, they're actually extinguishers. I'm going to try to put a picture in the description or somewhere in this video so you guys know how it looks like. I gave mine away to someone when I was doing a treatment, so I need to purchase a new one, but I'll put the link where you can purchase it in the description box below this video. Alright, so this particular joss stick incense Moxa, I'll light it up and then I'll show you where stomach 36 acupuncture point is located. Okay, and you can always Google it and look up how to find it on yourself. So you want the Moxa to be well lit, and you can always use a candle for this, that way you don't have to waste your lighter. You can see the smoke. Yeah. Alright. So where's stomach 36 acupuncture point? It's on the stomach channel, and if you've seen my Qigong videos, the stomach channel runs down the interior portion of the body, down the interior portion of the leg, and it goes all the way into the foot. Okay? Point stomach 36, you can measure it by bending your knee, and then you see these little eyes of the knee, little points in the knee, okay? This one here is stomach 35, alright? And so you place your hand, your index finger right over stomach 35, and then 4 fingers down. It's called 3 tun, okay? That's the measurement we use in acupuncture. So 3 tun down below that, and then the point is located 1 finger breadth away from the shin bone, and 4 finger breaths down from the eye of the knee or stomach 35, okay? So that's 4 finger breaths of your own hand, or 3 tun, right here, and then 1 index finger away from the tibial bone or the shin bone, okay? And so since you're using the incense stick, you kind of want to be in the area. Make sure that you're not too close to the skin. Okay, and you can set a timer for yourself and do it for about 2 minutes on each side, and do it every day for 7 days on the start of the new moon. Okay, making little circles until you start to feel it heat up. If it's too warm, move it a little bit further away from the skin, but you definitely want to be feeling the warmth from Moxa. Moxa is mugwort, so it's an herb that's been dried and rolled up into this stick. Okay? In another video, I'm going to go over application of direct Moxa, which generally, unless you're a practitioner, I don't recommend you do on yourself because you can burn yourself very easily. And with this, it's less chance of burning yourself. And you can really, if you are not close to an acupuncturist or a Chinese medical practitioner, or if you're doing this in between treatments, it's really, really beneficial that you're able to do this on yourself daily for 7 days, okay, on the new moon. So you might see a little bit of redness in the area. You might feel the tingling going downwards, okay, which is good, going in the direction of the channel, okay, since the stomach channel runs down into the foot. The first point on the stomach channel is actually right here below the eye. It's funny when I talk to my clients where the channel starts and where the channel ends, they're always like fascinated because of the symptoms that they feel or issues that present themselves within particular channels. So it's always good to know where the channels are traveling in the body. Okay, and then you'd go to the other side, and again, right, so from underneath the patella, right here in the little divot, you place your index finger 4 finger breaths below that point, and 1 finger breath away from the shin bone is stomach 36 point. And then again, start circling the Moxa stick in this area until you're done. When you're done, you'll place the Moxa stick in the extinguisher. Now, make sure that from time to time you ash the stick, because if you don't and you just keep twirling around and maybe you're on your phone or something, don't multitask when you play with fire, okay? So make sure you ash it from the side, okay? The way you ash it is by going to the sides, not directly like so, okay? If you do leave the stick just hanging out, it's gonna burn up completely, okay? So I definitely urge you to get the extinguisher. Also, try not to put this under the water, okay? If you have no other way to put it out, then you'll have to do that, but definitely get the extinguisher, and you'll save so much more of the stick. These sticks do come in a box, so I'll link that as well in the description below, okay? So September is coming, fall is coming, and we have no idea what's going to happen in the world. Flu season is obviously coming, so definitely do these practices because it helps build your immunity in the long run, and less chances of you getting sick. And if you get sick, you probably won't get sick as often or as strong, right? So I encourage you to keep doing your meditation and anything else that's building your internal energy sources. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great